Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you simple steps to fix the Roblox crash error and stop the unexpected quits. First, make sure your system meets Roblox's requirements. If you're using Windows, it should be Windows 7 or newer. Old systems can cause crashes. Also, check your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are a common reason for Roblox errors. You can visit your graphics card maker's website, like NVIDIA or AMD, to download the latest version. Next, try running Roblox as an administrator. Right-click the Roblox shortcut or launcher file, then click Run as Administrator. This gives Roblox the permissions it needs. If this works, you can set it to always run this way. Right-click the file again, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and check the box for Run this program as an administrator. A weak internet connection can also cause Roblox to crash. Use a speed test site to check your connection. Restart your router if needed. Using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi can improve stability. Sometimes, Roblox's cache files get corrupted. To clear them, press the Windows key and R, then type %localappdata% in Roblox and hit Enter. Delete all the files in the folder. Don't worry, this won't delete your Roblox account or progress. Close other apps before opening Roblox. Some apps like Discord overlays or screen recorders can cause conflicts. You can also do a clean boot. Press Windows and R, type misconfig, go to the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, then click Disable all. Open Task Manager from the Startup tab and turn off apps you don't need. Restart your computer and try again. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall Roblox. Go to Control Panel, then Programs, and uninstall Roblox. Download the newest version from the Roblox website and reinstall it. Try each step one at a time. One of them should solve your problem. If it does, let me know in the comments.